Yeah. See, today's the day that I drop knowledge, much solid than just making dollars. You see, everybody else wants to follow, but they don't want to be leaders. Most of these cats out here, well, even to themselves, they non-believers. See, me, I'm overachieving even as I'm breathing. Even if I do stop breathing, you see, my soul ain't never leaving. So when it comes to me dying, please, no grieving. I just want you to just rest in peace, and no matter if it's me grieving or sleeping and whatever the meaning, see, for right now, I just want to live my dream and just go through this lifestyle, because a lot of cats are scheming and fiending, and me, myself, I'm just bleeding because I'm here to give life. I'm here to do what I got to do because I want to make things right. See, back in the day, I gave up on myself. I might as well have been dead because I lost every single breath. And it's hard to really get that back, but it's time to make a new opportunity. So I'll just go ahead and just break that off, keep it moving no matter what happens, because this winner is not losing. And it's always good sometimes to learn from defeat, because you know that you're never defeated. Because most cats think they losers, but they don't really understand that meaning. They feel like they should label themselves. They feel like they know better than their own property, their own privilege, no matter what it is. This is what I'm giving them. And even though I'm hesitating and I'm spitting just to go solely, just so you can understand me, you can see the truth naked, because this is how I break it. This is what I call a fashion statement, because you cannot replace it. Because no matter what you're chasing,